Struggling to generate leads? You're not alone. In a competitive market, the right tools matter. Imagine a solution that scales your business. Meet Magnolia Innovative Solutions. I leverage trade shows to connect with clients, boosting lead generation. Being an expert on software sites adds credibility and traffic. Custom add-ons attract potential paying customers. Content marketing is vital. White papers guide users transitioning to cloud solutions, showcasing modern technology's benefits. As my business grew, I needed efficient outreach. That's when I found Reply. Its personalized email service prevents bombardment with one entry per campaign. With AI email quality check, engagement improves as my messaging refines. Keeping leads warm matters, and Reply helps nurture relationships. I avoid cold outreach, preferring to engage interested leads. Personalizing emails based on past interactions increases conversion rates. Magnolia Innovative Solutions tailors cloud solutions for your needs. Start your 14-day free trial with Reply today. Elevate your lead generation now.